Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can copy a group link in WhatsApp. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. So let us get down to our topic, and first of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. After that, go to the chat section and further go to group. So, next, in order to find the link, you will need to click on the group name at the top to go to the settings of that group. Scroll down here. And here you'll find this section right here. And go to the group link. Pause. Now, as you can see, here you can choose a few options on what you can do with the link to a particular group in WhatsApp. So, the first option, you can send it to some user in the same WhatsApp. So if you click here, it will show you all the users, all your contacts in WhatsApp, and you can send this group to someone. Further, you can send this link not only WhatsApp anymore. You will be able to send, for example, via email, via Telegram, Facebook, and so on. Next, you can also copy the link. The link is copied, and then you can go to absolutely any social network or, for example, Telegram, somewhere else. I'm going to go to Telegram, let's say. Next, you choose the correspondence that you need. After that, you click on the message bar, hold and select Insert and Send. And so, as you can see, in this way you send a link to the group in WhatsApp and the person can go to it. Friends, this is the way you can easily copy the group link in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to write comments, put likes. See you soon.